Hey y'all, Justin with ESOB. We're going to talk a little bit about feeding aluminum wire in your feeder in your gun. So today we have our Alcatech 5356 364s. That's aluminum wire in the business. And we are going to be pushing that today through just your standard classic Tweco. We are not doing a push-pull. We are just going to do a standard push. So when it comes to aluminum, you know, obviously your gas is going to be straight argon, all right? And all the same principles apply. I'm going to set my regulator at 50. I'm going to set my gas, you know, around 36 CFH. But in your gun, you're going to use a Teflon liner, not a steel wound liner. And if you're pushing only, it's much easier to do so with a 5000 series wire. It's a much stronger wire than your 4000 series. When you put your liner in here and your proper oversized contact tips and nozzles and everything, the other thing that you're going to change is you are going to use a U-groove drive roll. We use knurled for cord wire, V-groove for hard wire, and U-groove for aluminum. So make sure that you have the proper size and the proper drive roll along with your proper guides for aluminum. But the most important part about aluminum is free flow. You want to keep your gun in a more straight setting, right? You want your gun as straight as possible if you're going to weld with aluminum. Don't be doing these numbers and having it all coiled up and standing on it and welding. Aluminum is a very soft alloy, so you have to be very careful and very precise on the way that you push only aluminum wire. All right, guys, if you followed all of these steps with your aluminum wire and you're still having feed issues, please contact ESOB Technical Support.